Hello there, and welcome to video number 1. This is just going to be a quick overview video that just kind of mentions about the plugin. The following two videos will show me actually installing, or I should say uploading the articles, showing you a couple different scenarios you might want to use the plugin with. So let's just get right into it. I'm going to go ahead and install the plugin by going to Plugins and then Add New, and then click Upload. And choose File, and double-click the WP Content Magic zip file. Okay, and then click Install. And while this is uploading, or after it uploads, we'll go ahead and activate the plugin. There we go. On your bottom left-hand side of your menu, you're going to see WP Content Magic, so we'll go ahead and click that. And we're on the settings page. Okay, so most of it's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll just go through it quickly. There are two types. When you upload your articles, they can either be uploaded as posts or as pages. Published or draft. Published just means that once you upload them, they're immediately published unless you're posting in the future, which is sort of also known as drip feeding your articles. So in the future, when that date arrives, then that article will be posted automatically, or you can set them up as draft. So even if you post them in the future, they're all going to be in draft mode. So once that date hits, say a week from now, it's not going to post because it's still in draft mode. And one reason why someone might want to do that is they want to upload all their articles because this plugin will save you loads of time from manually uploading articles. But then they want to go back in, they might want to rewrite the articles a little bit or add some extra content, a banner or something like that. So you might want to just upload 50 articles in a few seconds and then go in and sort of tweak them a bit. Otherwise, most of you probably want to keep that as published. The title of the article on your blog will be the title of the text file, if you select this. Or if you have some obscure title name, such as 001.text, this is the name of your article for some odd reason, but you have the title inside the article, you can select this, and that'll be the title of the article posted. You can auto tag each article, and the auto tags are based on keywords that are in your article, and it'll exclude what I would call just commonly used English words based on your stop words. So I'll give you an example. If we go to one of these articles here, okay, so here's the title of the article, title of the text file, and that'll be the title of your post. If you select title from post is title text file name, sorry. Okay, I'll just go ahead and open, well, I don't need to open this. What I mean is a stop word is a word like your or with. These aren't words you want to tag or have bold or underlined or italicized anyway. So these would be considered stop words. So your and with are definitely stop words. Beautify, garden, landscape, and gardening wouldn't be. So those four words would be an example of your tags if you're using auto tags. So if we go to stop words, just divert for a moment and go to stop words, you'll see a huge list, pretty big list anyway, of what I'd consider common words such as and about. What else? We've got the. Okay, you can add your own stop words if you don't see them in the list. Say for example the and weren't already in the list, then you would type a comma after the last word, or in this case the letter Z, and you would type and then comma the comma, no spaces between, just, it even says here, important, don't leave blank spaces between commas and keywords. When, how, words like that you don't want to be, tags or to add SEO attributes to those types of keywords. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And you just click Update. And going back to the settings page, if you don't want to add any tags at all, just select No. Or if you want to add your own keywords to your articles, then you can do that here. So you can do garden, vegetables, soil, plants, etc. Okay, so you can add your own keywords. Uh, the plugin will auto-detect your different categories, or if you want to create your own category, so you're about to upload a bunch of articles and you want it to go to an entirely new category, such as gardening tips, then here's the thing you have to pay attention to. It defaults on uncategorized when you first go to the settings, but if you want to create your own category as the articles are being uploaded, it'll create the category for you, then upload your articles to that category. Then you need to make sure that this drop-down menu is on the blank space, is on the, because it defaults it uncategorized. It's easy to forget that. I do it, and you type in this new category name and you think they're all going to post there, but it posts to uncategorized because by default the plugin thinks, because one of these is selected, it thinks, okay, well, they must mean the articles go to uncategorized. So you need to make sure that's in the blank state, and then you type in whatever category you want created. Okay, hope that makes sense. Auto posting, you can post all of them now. Post between 0 and 0 minutes. So basically these should all post immediately. Okay, you can start posting after your last post. So say you posted 30 days ago on the 5th of August, then these articles will begin posting from the 5th of August. And you can set intervals. So from the 5th of August, since your last post, you might want these to randomly post so it looks a bit more natural to the search engines, say between 12 minutes and 2 days. Okay, so it'll take a random time period between 12 minutes and 2 days and post your articles. So each one will be posted at a slightly different interval. If you want to drip feed your articles and post into the future, but you can even post in the past and into the future. Say you wanted to begin your posting on the 15th of August at 2:17 p.m. So the first post, even though today's the 5th of September, the first post will be posted back on the 15th of August at 2:17 p.m. And if you want to post into, say, up into December, so 3 months from now, you might want to change this posting interval to maybe 2 days and 21 days. So that it depends on how many articles you have. If I'm only uploading 10 articles and I want it to go all the way to December, I might even change this to 10. So it's posting a random time period between 10 and 21 days for each article. So if I had these settings, it'll post one on the 15th of August, and then it might post one 12 days from now, post the next one 17 days from now, the next one 11 days from now. So I hope that makes sense. You're setting up the different intervals of random posting period, between this 10 days and 21 days. You got minutes, hours, you don't have to use these SEO options, but you can. So based on your tags, if garden is one of your tags and you set this to bold once, then for each tag that it finds in your post, in your article, if it sees the word garden, it's going to bold the first garden word. If let's just say that was your only tag was garden, then the next instance of garden, it's going to underline it once, and then the next instance of garden, the word garden, it's going to italicize it once. So that's starting to add some SEO benefits to your blogs, or to your articles, sorry. You can add hyperlinks within the content, and once again, that's based on your tag. So every time it sees the word garden, again, for example, if you select this to yes, you want one maximum hyperlink per article, and you type garden, comma, space, HTTP. This could be to a hop link, to an affiliate product, to one of your other websites. Then, just in this example, so right now, per article, wherever it sees the word garden, it's going to hyperlink it to whatever URL of my choice. Only one time max. But if I want that word garden hyperlink 3 times, and then or I should, yeah, depends on the number of tags you have. But basically, you can have pretty much any number of links. But of course, it's got to find those tags in order to hyperlink them. So I do hope that makes sense. And then if you can cloak the links, so when you hover over it, it doesn't say Google. It says your domain /go/ that that tag name. You can track your links, so you can see how many times people clicked on that link and their IP address. And add no follow, open in a new window. And you can upload articles in zip or text format. If you upload in text format, you can upload one article at a time. You could just save your settings and just keep uploading, or you can take 10 or multiple articles, however many articles, 50, 100, and zip them up and upload the zip file, and then start posting, and it'll post all of them in seconds. So I know this might seem a bit brief, but I just wanted to give you a general overview. Excuse me. And then in the next video, I'll go through uploading some articles, I'll create a category, I'll auto tag them, and change some intervals, and then the final video I'll add my own keywords and show you a couple little tricks you can add to your articles, and we'll go from there. Alright, see you in the next video. Thanks.